Good morning guys, I'm Longi Solar, electrical engineer for Gron, and welcome to my site. We at Gron were approached by the faculty of a school outside of Johannesburg to create and install a solar energy system that will reduce their electricity costs and their struggles with load shedding. Load shedding is very disruptive for schools, especially as they are more reliant on technology in the current day. During load shedding, teachers are unable to use audio-visual aids or any other digital interactive technologies to help their students learn. Similarly, learners are not able to use the Wi-Fi. So we endeavour to deliver a reliable system that will mitigate the effects of load shedding on the school and provide them energy and cost savings long into the future. For this design, we designed a 150 kilowatt inverter with 66 kilowatt peak of Longi panels supplied by Menlo Electric. We selected Menlo Electric to supply the panels for the project because of the good pricing, friendliness, and they always supply on time. Additionally, we really appreciate the contact with our sales contact, who was professional but friendly.
One of our strengths at Menlo Electric is being able to tailor our solutions towards our customers. In this case, Grant selected the Longi 555 watts because they were believed they were best for the project after consulting with us. They then opted to collect them from our conveniently located warehouse. Longi 555 watts are from their HIMO 5M range and offer a 12-year product warranty and 25-year linear output warranty with an annual degradation of 0.4% over 25 years. Best choice for large power plants. High module quality ensures long-term reliability. Menlo Electric is very proud to work together with Grant on this project for Care of School.